Magandang hapon, sir.
Magandang hapon po, sir. Magandang hapon, sir.
Magandang hapon, sir.
Ito pala yung mga dito. Ito pala yung tatalakayin natin ngayon.
Opo, yung paper, mga papel na nasa yung harapan yan po ay ang ating mga agenda at mga pagtutulo ang meetingan natin ngayon. Magandang hapon sa ating lahat. I now call this SK meeting to order. Let's have a short prayer. Honorable Bentulan, can you please lead the prayer?
Please stand up.
Present, Honorable Chair.
Present, Honorable Chair.
Present, Honorable Chair.
Present, Honorable Chair. Present, Honorable Chair.
Present, Honorable Chair.
So, wala si Sherwin Cano, no? Pwede na ba tayo magpatuloy?
Ako, Honorable Chair.
Okay, so, the agenda for today's meeting are as follows. Number 1, weekly cleanup drive. Number 2, waste segregation info drive. Number 3, fundraising activities. Number 4, volunteer incentives. Number 5, lastly, is monitoring and reporting system. Any objections before we adopt the agenda? Okay. Hearing none, the agenda is now adopted. Unahin natin ang weekly cleanup drive. The proposal is to have one on every Saturday at 7 a.m. Mayroon bang anumang mungkahi tungkol dito? Yes, Honorable Whitman.
Inilipat ko na simulan natin ang lingguhang paglilinis sa susunod na Sabado at magtala ng voluntaryo ang kabataan sa bawat lugar.
Second the motion, Honorable Chair.
Any objections? Yes, Honorable Sir Sonas.
Yes, Honorable Chair. Baka po may youth na may next Sabado classes or church services.
Yes, Honorable Arnias.
Yes, Honorable Chair. Tama. I suggest na magkaroon ng schedule rotation para may flexibility.
Agree po. Hindi naman kailangan every Saturday sila present. We can allow them to choose at least 2 Saturdays in a month.
Sige, alright. The motion is now amended to conduct a weekly cleanup drive starting next Saturday with flexible schedules for youth volunteers. Lahat ng may pabor ay magtaas ng kamay. Okay. Opposed? Wala. So, the motion is carried. Sige. Next agenda. Agenda 2. Waste segregation info drive. Tungkol ito sa waste segregation. Yes, Honorable Hanas.
I propose na magkaroon tayo ng house-to-house campaign. We can distribute flyers and provide shirts.
Yes, Honorable Buntulan.
Magandang idea yan. Pwede rin tayong gumamit ng megaphone sa umaga kapag tayo may pangkalilit.
Yes.
Dagdag ko lang, pwede yung mag-post tayo ng infographics sa barangay boards or sa waiting sheds.
Yes, Honorable Sir Sanas.
But do we have volunteer who can explain rate? Pwede naman siguro tayo mag-search orientation muna.
Good point, no? Short explanation, ay orientation muna para sa mga volunteers. Good point. Okay. Any motion? Yes.
I hope that we implement one week infographic using flyers, megaphone, and posters. With short training for youth volunteers beforehand.
Second the motion, Honorable Chair.
Any other objections? None. Hearing none, the motion is now carried. Move naman tayo sa Agenda 3. Fundraising and activities naman. Anyone? Yes. Honorable Witulan.
I suggest we organize a mini food fair. Yung kita gamitin para magbili ng cleaning tools.
Yes, Honorable Sir Sanas.
Okay yan, pero kailangan natin kumuha ng barangay permit if we're selling publicly.
Makaya akong tumulong sa pagkikipag-ugnayan sa kapitan. Para dyan.
Pwede rin tayo magpalamig for a cause tuwing Sunday sa harap ng barangay hall.
So, good, no? Maganda yung mga point mo. Any motion? Yes.
I move to organize a mini food fair and palamig for a cause to response for environmental activities. Subject to barangay approval.
I second the motion, Honorable Chair.
Any objections? Okay. Motion is carried. Second to the last agenda is Agenda 4, Volunteer Incentives. Paano kaya natin mabibigyan ng gantimpala ang mga aktibong voluntaryo? Yes, Honorable
So my
Sir
plan
Solis.
is this give certificate and small tokens para ma-motivate sila.
Yes, Honorable Chair.
Yes, Honorable Chair. We can also post photos of top volunteers sa barangay page to recognize them.
Oh, yes.
Ako na po ang bahala sa pag-print ng certificate and prepare ng content.
Any motion? Yes, Honorable Sir Solis.
I move to give monthly certificates, tokens, and online recognitions to the active youth volunteers.
Second, Honorable Chair.
Any objections? Hearing none, this motion is carried. Last is the Agenda 5, monitoring and reporting system. So how do we track volunteer efforts?
I suggest mag-assign ng team leaders per area. Mag-uulat ng aktibidad linggo-linggo.
Yes, Honorable.
May add ako. Dapat may photo evidence din nasa proof of JPP.
That's helpful for transparent or documented.
Any motion?
I move to assign team leaders per area and require weekly photo reports through group chats.
Second motion, Honorable Chair.
Any objections? None. Okay. This motion is carried. So that concludes our meeting, no? Thank you for your presence and active participation. Ang susunod nating pagtutulong o meeting ay pagkatapos ng unang aktibidad sa paglilinis o next week, Saturday, after ng clean-up drive, mag-meeting tayo. At mag-recall muna tayo sa ating pinag-meetingan. Number 1 is weekly clean-up drive. Tapos number 2, waste segregation info drive. Ang assign nito ay si Honorable Halasan. Then fundraising activities. Ang assign naman nito ay si Honorable Bentulan. Tapos number 4, volunteer incentives. Ay assigned ni Honorable Johnwell. Tapos last is monitoring and reporting system. Assigned nito ay si Honorable Donari at Honorable Aranias, ang ating mga barangay planning. Any final remarks?
Thank you sa mga kabataan. Nakakatuwa makita ang involvement ninyo.
Excited na ako makita ang changes ng barangay natin.
Susuportahan namin ang mga kabataan sa mga tuntunin ng kaligtasan at koordinasyon.
Yes.
Yes. So this meeting is adjourned at 3:30 p.m. Thank you everyone at tuloy-tuloy ang kooperasyon.